If Discord is stuck on loading chunk failed, don't worry, because this is usually a cache or browser issue, and in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to refresh Discord, clear the cached files that are causing the error, disable problematic extensions, and test a few final fixes so you can get back into Discord as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord web in your browser. You can go directly to discord.com/app and wait for the page to load. If Discord is showing the loading chunk failed error, the very first thing you should try is a hard refresh. On Windows or Chromebook, press Ctrl, Shift and R at the same time. This forces the browser to reload Discord without using the old cached version. In many cases, that alone can fix the issue immediately. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear Discord's cache in Chrome or any Chromium-based browser. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure the time range is set to all time so you remove every outdated Discord file stored in the browser. Then check cached images and files, and also check cookies and other site data. Once both options are selected, click Clear Data. After that, close the tab, reopen Discord web, and log in again if needed. This step is important because the loading chunk failed error usually happens when old cached Discord files conflict with a newer update. So by clearing the cache, you're forcing the browser to load a fresh version instead of trying to use broken or outdated files. Now, if Discord still won't load properly, the next thing to do is disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, privacy tools, and script blockers can interfere with Discord scripts and stop the app from loading correctly. To manage your extensions, press Alt and F, then press E, and open the extensions page or the Manage Extensions menu in your browser. Once you're there, turn off anything that might be blocking Discord. Start with ad blockers, then VPN extensions, then any script blockers or privacy-focused add-ons. After disabling them, refresh Discord again and check if the problem is gone. If the page still fails to load, try opening Discord in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N to open Incognito Mode. Then go back to Discord web and test it again. Incognito mode helps because most extensions are disabled by default, and it gives you a cleaner browser session. If Discord works there, that's a strong sign that an extension or cached browser data was causing the issue. And if it still doesn't work, try another browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, switch to Microsoft Edge. Or if you were on Edge, try Chrome. Sometimes the issue is browser specific, and another browser will load Discord normally right away. So to quickly recap, the best fix order is first hard refresh Discord, then clear the cache and cookies, then disable extensions, then test incognito mode, and finally try a different browser if needed. That approach solves the loading chunk failed error for most users without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix Discord, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Discord error or app issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.